I made iAcademy's videos from this to this. Two things, depth and lighting. That is what separates your subject to the foreground and the background. So in example, makita mo ang background niya ay white with some blue lines. And ang suot niya ay white din. Therefore, hindi siya nag-stand out sa background. It felt empty. Whereas sa ginawa ko, I moved the background far away from the subject that causes separation. I also made the background feel alive by designing it to look like a film viewing area since si subject natin ay isang film student na nababagay din sa team ng shoot. See, the lighting is well lit. It doesn't have shadows that makes it look flat and not three-dimensional. If we want to make our subject stand out, we can place our light 45 degrees slightly above his head to make some shadow sa other side ng face niya and making some kind of triangle-shaped light. This is called Rembrandt lighting from a famous painter,
Rembrandt van Rijn.
And lastly, I adjusted the color of the lights sa background to a yellow to really separate the subject from the background. And that's it. Now you have a cinematic video that stands out. Follow for more.